Are you in need of a reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Holt, Michigan? Look no further than Simplified Dumpster LLC. Simplified Dumpster LLC is your local solution for easy and efficient dumpster rentals. We pride ourselves on providing a top-notch dumpster rental in Holt, Michigan. Whether it's for a residential cleanup, construction debris, or any other waste disposal needs, we've got you covered. Choose from various dumpster sizes to fit your specific needs, whether you're renovating, cleaning out, or just need to dispose of large items. Our range of dumpsters ensures that no job is too big or too small. And with our straightforward pricing, there are no surprises. Our dumpsters are clean, well-maintained, and designed to meet your needs. We take pride in providing a safe and environmentally responsible waste disposal solution. When you choose Simplified Dumpster LLC for your dumpster rental in Holt, Michigan, you choose convenience, reliability, and affordability. Join the many satisfied customers in Holt who trust Simplified Dumpster LLC for their waste management. Need help deciding? Visit us at www.simplifieddumpster.com dumpster rental Holt MI or call 517-994-1881 today. Simplified Dumpster LLC, making dumpster rental in Holt, Michigan easy and convenient. Visit us online or call today.